So welcome everyone. This video is mainly about the chapter 5 in your syllabus, that is of the most advanced concepts in deep learning. So in this session we look about how all these topics are useful in computer vision, natural language processing and autonomous systems. So we'll have a brief discussion about all these topics in this video, starting with this one. The first one is object localization. Here this tells about the models, how they detect and pinpoint the exact location of the objects in an image, which lays the foundation for the task like facial recognition, which we are very familiar, and also autonomous self-driving vehicles. The second one is region proposal networks, which is also called as RPNs. They will help in identifying the areas. Mainly when we localize an object, we need to know which region or that object is. So this RPN will tell that. So they will help in identifying the areas in the images where the objects might be, speeding up the detection process. Next we have RCNN, which is a region proposal convolutional neural network, and faster RCN. They will make the process faster and more efficient. The next one is YOLO and DYOLO. The YOLO is you look only once, which is a model, which is a revolutionized object detection technique. By processing, it processes an entire image in one movement, that is one single forward pass, which is very helpful in single real-time applications, which gives a very good results. That means when you are using in a self-driving cars, we need it to be without any delay. So in such cases, you look only once model is very useful. And there are different variants, and DYOLO is one of the popular one and improved architecture of YOLO one. So next one is encoder and decoder models. So these are the models which can transform the input data, such as converting the text to sequences or images to captions. Next we have GANs, which is said to be generative adversarial networks, which are mainly used to generate realistic images, videos and data. And they are useful for the artificial intelligence creativity. Next one is VAE, which is said to be a variational autoencoders. They are also used for image generation and a representation learning, and they are also often used in the generative models. Then next we have one-shot learning. The one-shot learning models, they can learn to recognize objects with only few examples. That means when our data set is very small, even in those cases we can use this one-shot learning. Or rather, we have deep reinforcement learning. So we know what is reinforcement learning, so it can learn itself with the feedback. So here the deep reinforcement learning is one that makes a smart decision and can learn in complex environment to the interaction and powering advances in robotics, gaming and autonomous systems. And then the last topic is in this syllabus, attention mechanism and attention over images. So the final one, and this helps the models the focus on the most important parts. If you take an image, we have some most important parts of the input data. So this attention mechanism will focus on the most important part, which helps the task in both text and image processing. So with this thing, it will have a good advanced techniques in all the computer visions, robotics, gaming, NLPs, and autonomous system, medical processing systems. So in the coming videos, we'll see how each topic